Hey guys, Jason here for Chart Guys, taking a look at gold. Bulls pulled off another beautiful day here. Big move to the upside, smashed through that 1488, which was a theoretical resistance. It acted as resistance previously, but obviously didn't seem to slow us down very much today. So we're not going to pay a lot of attention to it. We'll keep it on the chart to see if it acts as a good backtest level for some consolidation, which is overdue on the daily time frame. Our RSI is currently at 71.58, and what we're looking for right now is a little bit of consolidation and cooling of that RSI. We see some examples of that over here. We get overbought. We need a couple days to cool off. We get overbought again. We see a lot more consolidation. Now we had a significant move to the upside over the last 5 or so trading days. Now we need to see things cool off, allow the RSI to come down and sort of relax a little bit like we see here and here. So that's the expected move right now. Our RSI, as I said, 71.54. It changes pretty rapidly here with the trading still going on. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we see that we set a new higher high. Let's zoom in a little bit there. We set a new higher high, and all bulls need to do to keep this 4-hour uptrend intact is going to be to stay over 1456. That would allow us to come down, set a new higher low, and then keep that trend intact. That's the idea with that. And the 4-hour uptrend still very much in process, and no big red flags for the bulls yet. But as you know, we do need to see that daily consolidation and that daily RSI cool off so that we can go sideways or down. It doesn't really matter as long as we get some trading periods without significant price movement to the upside. On the hourly time frame, we do have a trend change. We lost our low over here at 1496.56, so we're looking at an hourly downtrend and a 4-hour uptrend. If we go back to the 4, let's just make sure that our level 1456, that's what we need to stay above. So the bulls can just take this nice gradual hourly downtrend, and as long as they stay above 1456, those 4-hour bulls are going to be in good shape. So hourly downtrend, and what we're looking for is basically as long as we stay under 1508, and on our next downswing we break 1493, that will see us continuing that downtrend. And we can keep doing that all the way to, let's say, 1470, go to our 4-hour time frame, and there's that 4-hour consolidation. Bulls still in control with a higher low over 1456. Then we need to see that hourly trend change again, move back to the upside, and let's see how that theoretical little move looks. You know what? It's not out of place, is it? That sort of move that we've seen, big swing to the downside, new highs, that's what we want to see in these sort of moves, and that's what allows that daily RSI to cool down. So, in summary, hourly downtrend currently in process, 4-hour uptrend very much in the favor of the bulls, and a daily needs to see its RSI consolidate a little bit. If this hourly trend continues over the next 24 or so periods, that will allow that much needed consolidation, and our hourly has got to be, this is coming off its own consolidation and cooling, and the 4-hour RSI definitely needs to cool off 73.65. Let's see how this does. Not a lot of action expected in the next 24 hours. I would just like to see some cooling, and if we do manage to continue the upside, what is our next resistance on the daily time frame? In fact, I think we started to go to the weekly at this point. 1620, still the daily resistance on deck. And that would put us in extreme overbought conditions. But you know what? I'd love to see that happen.